The data strategy should really be defined at the company-wide level. But for the marketing organization, in order to have personalized messaging, and so that would include in an email having the proper name addressed in that email, but also if the email, for example, is going to say, we realize that you recently purchased XYZ product. Can you give us any feedback on that? Well, if the customer didn't purchase that product, then they're going to have a pretty negative reaction to receiving that email. So, personalized messaging, limiting ad spend to only users who are likely to convert. So you may have just this giant list of emails, and maybe you send that to your paid media platform of choice, and you are now paying for ad spend. So with a proper data strategy, we can have a little bit more intelligence for which of those prospective customers do we want to target, which will save on that ad spend. And then similar, but in a different type of optimization, attributing conversions to specific channels. So perhaps you're using various paid media tools such as Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Trade Desk, and then you also have some sort of email campaign. You have content on your website, right? So you have all these different marketing channels, and then to be able to properly attribute a user conversion to one channel or the other helps to understand how effective marketing spend is and where the company should double down. So for example, if marketers are working in a very siloed environment, but it's a very small company, they still may be able to be effective. But if you're talking about a large organization where there are many different touch points that customers have, depending on whether they're calling your call center, they're responding to your emails, they're purchasing products, as well as interacting with your marketing touch points. Now the repercussion for not having a data strategy in place is going to be a lot greater if you don't have some sort of customer 360 in order to understand how your customers are behaving.